Okay, now for a good place to go visit. Busch Gardens. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all the people watching too. Ah, that's always full. What a good vacation place, huh? Busch Garden in Florida. Neat, look at the animals. Oh, and of course this is a souvenir folder as soon as I figure out how to open it. Because you could turn around and just address it and put a stamp on it, mail it home for all those who didn't get to go on the trip. But if you save some of that money, hopefully you can go on the trip. So let's look at the pictures. So here was the cover. Then we had this one here by the water, people enjoying it. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Playing with the fire. There's always a lot of entertainment. I'll tell you. An awful lot. And that nighttime things are so nice. Really love it. Okay. That was the fire eaters and the jugglers. There we go. Now look at that. Legendary Congo River. See, they keep some things just the way it used to be. So you can see how it used to be. That's always good to look at history. And that some preserved how it used to look like and be. Oh, and then of course the special entertainment. All these beautiful dancers. Look at that. Belly dancing. Everybody loves to watch belly dancing. They do. Okay, and here, oh, we got a special train here. Look at that. Take a little ride around. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, a steam train. And here we have a few of the animals. And the nice thing about souvenir folders, you can turn them around and you get the whole other side. Wow. Let's see if I can make my little accordion close up a little bit here so we can get down to this one. There you go. Kids get to ride. Isn't that neat? An elephant ride for children. I mean, here we get a lot of camel rides, but an elephant? That'd be different. Okay. Ooh, nice. Okay, the alligators. Boy, they're big. Ugh. Okay, and we get some beautiful rides. Look at that. Quite the challenge, isn't it? Look at, ugh. Look at that. It goes around and around. Oh my God. You get sick just watching it. It's nice to watch though when you get old. Watch everybody scream, holler. How many get sick when they're going upside down like that? Oh, I don't know where I'd want to sit in this ride. You're going to get someone's vomit. Ugh, gross. Ah, oh, look at that. Oh, the giraffes. So beautiful. Look how beautiful the buildings kept up there. Very nice. Oh, there's some having fun. There is, when you go down there, they take pictures and stuff, and then you can go and buy your picture when you're coming down. And that's kind of cool. I like that. Because you always bring home a souvenir, and there's your souvenir. It's a picture of you going down the water slide like that. Neat. I like it. Oh, and look at these. All the birds. Don't you just love them? completely different. Lovely. Beautiful flamingos. They're so pretty. Okay, and the swing vines. Would not go on that at my age. I think that's for the young. They can stomach it. We can't, not me. All right, let me just close it all up like an accordion. And there we are. All done back up. Well, if I don't put it upside down, it'll look pretty good, huh? All right. Okay. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Be sure to share it with someone else, you know, who's all talking about going on a trip somewhere, you know, this summer. Just because you can have the freedom to go out. Go ahead. Take a good look. Share these pictures. Get them all interested. All go as a group. All right. I've been there. I love it. Love to go back again, too. Yay! All right. Bye-bye now.